Hi friends, welcome to Spirit Says So Tarot. Pisces, this is your reading from all your angels, your spirit guides, archangels, all of your connections coming together. They're fashionably late, but nonetheless, they finally rounded up for you. Angels, archangels, spirit guides, animal spirits, all of the above. For Pisces, what messages do we have for them at this time? How has 2023 treated them so far? What may they have to look forward to in the upcoming month or months? Messages for the highest good only for our darling Pisces. We have Seagull. Look at the bigger picture, bird's eye view. All right, so I'm feeling, Pisces, that for some of you, your spirit guides are telling you that while things may not be going as you'd like them to or as planned, keep in mind to always look at the bigger picture. Look at what could be versus what's going on in this very second. So in other words, don't dwell. Spirit, please continue these divinely guided messages from Pisces, angels, spirit guides, animal spirits, and of course the archangels or their ancestors. Thank you, Spirit. Starting you off with the High Priestess and King of Sacred Circles. Very powerful beginning for you, Pisces. You've been seeking spiritual guidance. Of course, checking this reading out is just a part of that. It's just a tiny little piece. It does reflect on your spirituality. You are looking for answers. Okay, with the King of Sacred Circles, I do feel that at this time, you feel very strong, very content, but still have the need to be concerned. There's still concern. That concern is genuinely for someone else, though. Okay. Spirit, please continue these divinely guided messages for our Pisces friends. Bird's eye view, okay. We have the Tower, So an unexpected event either has happened or is going to happen. We have the Queen of Wands that came out with it. You're watching and waiting. You've been trying to divert something here. You've been trying to avoid this Tower moment, if not directly for yourself, but I feel like you've been trying to guide someone else into avoiding a Tower moment. You've been trying to talk them into going into a different direction. I feel heavy concerns coming from your spirit guides for you. I'm hearing too deep and let go. Knight of Wands. Yeah, you're really hoping for some answers to come in. Spirit, what are these answers that, or what are the questions that we're seeking answers for? Okay. You're concerned about this High Priestess keeping secrets. Someone is keeping secrets from you. And it's going to cause them a Tower moment because it's not allowing you to help them. We have the Eight of Wands. Yeah, something hit them fast and hard. Something hit this High Priestess fast and hard. And you, whether you are directly their king or their queen, take it how it resonates. You've been trying to protect them from this Tower moment, but they're not coming to you with information that would allow you to protect them from this Tower moment. I'm still getting that you're in too deep, or maybe they're in too deep. All you want is joy for this person. But that's like you, Pisces. You care about others. So you want to see this High Priestess enjoy. You want to see them let go of what it is. That's where the let go is coming in, okay? I got you. Yeah, this High Priestess got in too deep in a situation, way too deep. You're aware of something going on, but they're not forthcoming with you, Pisces. So I feel like your hands are tied. We have the World. Now, this is your attitude, Pisces. You feel like this High Priestess has the whole world ahead of them. You want them to know that. But until they bring you in clue you in as to what this Eight of Wands is about, you can't really help them with this Tower moment. It's like the World or the Tower. That's what you're putting before them. Yeah, they just keep acting like they've got it together and that they have no worries. But that is definitely a masculine energy. Doesn't mean that this is a male connection with the High Priestess. But the High Priestess is secretive anyway. They're loners. They don't like to share information, right? They're the keeper of secrets. The King of Cups, this High Priestess, they're maintaining their poker face. They're not letting anybody in. I feel like when they do, it is going to give them the Tower moment. When they finally break loose to you, that is going to be their Tower moment. So in other words, they're not going to come to you until it's either too late or almost too late, Pisces. Your spirit guides are urging you to be aware of this so you can prepare yourself for that. Queen of Cups, yeah. Your guides are telling you that you're going to have to maintain your emotions over this, because this connection is just not going to let go. They're not going to allow you to see how deep they've gone until it's too late. We're going to go ahead and go with an Archangel Power Oracle, or excuse me, Tarot. Spirit, Pisces has some heavy things going on here with Seagull. The bird's eye view. Something came in fast for them or one of their connections, and Pisces is deeply concerned. Okay, we have two messages here. Seven of Raphael. Now keep in mind, Raphael is the Archangel who heals. So, time to make a decision. Be clear on what you want and take action. A need for detoxification. So I feel like with the Seven of Raphael, Pisces, your guides are validating your feelings, your thoughts, that this High Priestess, King of Cups here, if you haven't already, it is time for you to speak up, to take action. Let this connection know that you are aware that something's transpired with this Eight of Wands, and you're there to help them. All right. So we have the Seven of Cups. Spiritual guidance is definitely needed. This High Priestess, King of Cups, they need your guidance. We also have the King of Raphael. Warm, generous, honorable, refined. Again, King of Cups. Yes, it is safe to trust. the ability to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passions. So trust in yourself, Pisces. This King of Cups here needs you to confront them and to be by their side. Where we got them being the King of Cups and you being the King of Cups. You got their number. You know how they roll. And you can call them on it. That is definitely like you, Pisces. You look out for others. Alright, darlings. If this reading resonated with you, I certainly hope that you are able to pull the reins in on this other King of Cups, aka the High Priestess. This energy that is not being 100% truthful to you when in fact they really could use your help, your assistance to either avoid or be pulled from this Tower moment. If this reading does not resonate with you, that certainly is okay. Please feel free to check out one of my other readings. Hit that like button for me no matter what, because I could use all the likes I can get. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for your continued support. And until next reading, stay fabulous, Pisces. Bye.